Howdy folks, welcome to the Hillbilly Kitchen. Y'all come on in, drag yourself a chair, and let's set a spell. It's been a while since I have shown you any of the stuff that I get in the mail, or I have said thank you to all the nice people that I meet. I have to tell you that I am totally overwhelmed by your love and your kindness and your support. And every time I meet someone, loving they are. And if you see me out somewhere, whether it's in the woods up at Pine Mountain State Park or at a bacon festival in Cleveland, Tennessee, or on the top of Kleeman's Dome, or wherever it is, I'm just a real person like you, and I really do enjoy saying hi to you and meeting you and spending a few minutes talking to you, because for me, when I come in the kitchen and I spend this time with you, there's not a face there. And when we meet each other out and we share a few moments together and a little bit of conversation, it makes what I do much more real and much more important. So don't hesitate to yell, even if there's a crowd, and we'll take a minute or two and we will fellowship together and spend a few minutes with each other, because I really do enjoy meeting you, and like I said, it makes it so much more real. Just remember, I don't recognize you, so you will have to introduce yourself. And I get letters and stuff constantly from you all, and you do the same thing for me with your cards and your letters and your comments that I do for you. You encourage me and you lift me up and you let me know that I'm not alone. And I wish I had time to share all these with you, all the names, and sit here and read them all, but that would take hours, maybe even longer. And I know you don't have that much time, but I do want to share this one card with you. I actually received this just today, and it's a homemade card, and I love the homemade cards that people take time to do. But it is from Ruth. And Ruth and Dave are in their 80s, and they have been married for over 60 years, which is quite an accomplishment. But Ruth wrote a very nice letter, and she included in her card Philippians 4, 6, and 7. Be careful for nothing, but in everything, by prayer and supplication with thanksgiving, let your requests be made known unto God. And the peace of God that passes all understanding shall keep your hearts and minds through Jesus Christ. That is a wonderfully encouraging verse. And that is what you all do for me with your cards and your letters and your comments. And like I said, I wish I had time to respond to each and every one. I wish I had time to come on the video and read each and every one. And some of these absolutely demand a response, and I'm going to get back to them as quick as I can. They all deserve a response, but like I said, I wish I could respond to all of them. I just cannot. I do read them all, and I keep every single one of them. I keep every card and every gift that every person has ever given me my whole life, and I'm going to continue to do that. So I don't know what my kids are going to do one day when I'm gone. They're going to have a mess to clean up. I want to show you a couple more of these things. I got a t-shirt from Willian at Vanilla Feeds Tomorrow, and I have shared his link several times, and I'm going to put it in this video again. Willian donates all of the proceeds from the vanilla that he sells to Second Harvest Food Bank to feed hungry people in this area. So if you want a good jar of vanilla and you also want to help out a good cause, get it from Willian. I've been using it ever since I found it. I got some books from folks. I got another one from Brenda Wood. She has sent me several. She's up in Canada, and you can find her books online. And then these are from Cheryl Smith, And she is from Tennessee. They're devotionals that she has written. She's from Bristol. I'm sure you can find her books online. One is Homespun Devotionals, and Biblical Minimalism is another one. Brenda has several books. And I got some real cute stuff from Wildwood Blend. And this was probably right after the last time I did a mail call thing. But she made some real cute stuff. She does hats and t-shirts and bags. If you're looking for some custom gifts maybe for folks, check out people like this. And she recently started this business. So I'll put a link to her stuff in there too. Let's see. I thought this was really cute. I want to grow my own food, but I can't find bacon seeds. I got some wild rice from northern Michigan from Jane. Thank you. I need to use that. And I mean, there's just so many cards and letters and gifts that come in. And it does, like I said, the same thing for me that you all tell me that I'm doing for you. And I hope you learn how to cook some good food on here. But even more than that, when you come to visit us here at the Hillbilly Kitchen, I hope that you leave knowing that you're not alone. And that you kind of feel like you're a part of it. And that's what all this stuff does to me. So I do want to thank you absolutely from the bottom of my heart for every single gesture of kindness and love. And I want you to know that you're not alone, that you're appreciated, and that you are a part of this. I also got these far jar lids. They promised me a discount code for y'all, and if I can get it, I'll put a link. But I know that canning supplies have been hard to get because so many more people are canning and there are supply chain issues. They do have a pretty good seal on them. I have not tried them. If they give me the discount code, I will link it so you can use it if you'd like to. But other than that, I really don't know anything about them, so I don't want to do any kind of special endorsement. But with all that being said, and maybe this is an alternate place where you can get some canning supplies. We'll see, and hopefully we'll get that code up for you. I do want to thank you all so very much for being a part of this, and I want to thank you for every single card, every single letter, every single gift, and every act of kindness and love. And I wish with all my heart that I could respond to every single comment and letter and card. But know that you are all in my prayers, that I love you all, that I appreciate you more than words could ever say. And I am so very grateful and thankful that you are a part of the Hillbilly Kitchen. If you haven't already, please don't forget to click like and subscribe before you leave. Until next time, remember to put God first.